Hi guys, how to stop the Chrome from blocking downloads. And I will show you guys the effective solution to fix this problem. So make sure you watch the entire video. So first thing, click on the three dot option on your Google Chrome and then simply open up the settings. Scroll down, you will see the settings and open it. Now here you need to open up the privacy and security. Just click on that and in this page you will just see the security like so. Just click on that and here now it is selected to the enhanced protection. So basically it protects you from the dangerous files, dangerous sites or the other things that might be suspicious. So you need to just scroll down, you will see the no protection recommended. So you need to just click on that, click on the turn off. Now you just need to go back and simply download the file that are not downloading. So if you are still getting the issue with the downloading, then you can, if it is selected to the no protection already, then you can select the enhanced protection. Then you can go back and simply download the file. And guys, this is how you can fix or stop the Google Chrome from blocking downloads. And guys, if you found this video helpful, so please make sure you like this video because this is only motivation for me, and I will see you guys in the next video.